Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Quiz. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. There, a lot of traffic on the road yesterday. Right answer is C, was. She sings as if she a professional singer. Right answer is C, were. The book was so boring that I reading it. Right answer is B, stopped. I have never seen beautiful place. Right answer is B, such. We will start the meeting when the manager. Right answer is A, arrives. She television when I entered the room. Right answer is B, was watching. I don't have money left. Right answer is B, any. Do you know the man is talking to my brother? Right answer is C, who. I have not decided where for vacation. Right answer is B, to go. Not only she, but also her brothers, invited. Right answer is A, were. He did not study, he failed the exam. Right answer is C, therefore. She will call you when she home. Right answer is B, reaches. You should avoid late at night. Right answer is C, driving. The children were playing while their mother dinner. Right answer is B, was making. Each of the students given a certificate. Right answer is C, was. There was a loud noise. Woke me up. Right answer is C, which. The manager wants the report. Today. Right answer is B, finished. Please let me if you need help. Right answer is A, no. She has been working here 5 months. Right answer is C4. She has not replied to my email is unusual. Right answer is B, which. The students were punished because they noise. Right answer is C, made. He speaks too quickly for me. Right answer is B, to understand. She will join us after her homework. Right answer is C, finishes. Not a single mistake found in her answer sheet. Right answer is B, was. He works harder than in the office. Right answer is A, anyone.